Well, the new statewide mask mandate issued yesterday eliminates some confusion by having the same exceptions for all counties. But some say it's not much better because certain provisions make it hard to enforce. Manolo Morales explains.
Violators can be charged with a misdemeanor and face up to a year in jail and a $5,000 fine. That's been the biggest knock on the mask mandate. There's also the exception if you can stay 6 feet away from other people outdoors, and public health experts say that provides a big loophole.
All the person would have to do is go into court and say, Your Honor, nobody was within 6 feet of me, therefore I did not have to wear a mask.
Brown adds that state lawmakers should go into special session, which would be needed to change the law so violators can be issued a fine. He says the current penalty is not practical.
Because it tends to make the judges throw these cases out of court because they don't intend to impose any penalties like that. Instead, we really need to move to a simple fine of $100 or $150.
If a person is cited for not wearing a mask, they will get a court date, and prosecutors will then examine the case and decide whether to dismiss it, strike a plea bargain, or prosecute. Defense attorney Victor Baci says nearly all of his cases have been dismissed.
And that's the problem that we have, is that, there are a lot of people that just didn't know or didn't understand or thought they were actually complying with the law.
He says the current penalty leaves it up to the prosecutors to make the judgment call, but allowing violators to get fined would make it easier for police and prosecutors, as well as help the city.
If you were to make it just a fine, I think the city would make a lot of money and they would still get the message across. By reducing this to an infraction, you would, I think, get a lot more cooperation from the public.
The 6 feet exception was already in the Oahu emergency proclamation before the mandate was changed. Mayor Kirk Caldwell says he wanted to leave it in for those walking where it's isolated. He says the new mandate now calls for joggers and walkers to wear a mask, but not if they can keep 6 feet away from other people.
And so I think we should be wearing our face coverings because it's too hard to take it on and off, and that's what the order requires.
Manolo Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.